exciting things are happening because we are going to learn how to sail. And I'm not good on boats and I don't have any balance. That's going to be amazing. Stay tuned.
It goes
somebody down on the dock, and we'll be taking you sailing this morning. Life jackets and stuff you can find right here. Choose the ones that fit, cancel anytime. Alright, so we'll start off with a bit of land drills, explaining how the boat works and stuff, and how to go about, and then we'll take you out on the water. If you stable boat, you don't really tip over, so that should keep you nice and dry and it rains. Yeah? Anybody have an idea of where the wind is coming from?
Behind us.
Okay? Actually coming from. So the reason why I asked that, right? Because it's important to know where the wind is coming from. The reason being you cannot sail straight into the wind. Yeah? You have to sail like a 45-degree angle of the wind at any direction you're going. So if Amelia was the wind and I want to get to Amelia, yeah, I would have to go to where, what's your name? Stella. Close enough. Okay, close enough. I'll have to go towards close enough. And then once I get towards Emily, I'll have to come towards Danielle. And then from I get to Danielle, then I can turn and I'll get to Amelia. Toes together, knees together, or what they call a ladylike fashion. To the extension here, you hold it like a microphone. So if you can remember, sing a song as you sail along or sing and sail.
Hi, what was your name again? Sorry. Mauriceson. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
We've got team sailing here. How excited are we? Scared, I mean. I don't think we're insured for that.
Sailed before?
No. I actually hate boats.
I think she's lying to us.
I know, right?
You want to do it? We survived, guys. Yay! Well done. It was all us.
Yeah.
We have finished sailing now. It was a lot of fun. I only did it for a couple minutes, but I did get a bit of a feeling of how it is to actually steer the boat. And yeah, I would totally do that again, and I think I've gone over my fear of boats a little bit. My balance is really terrible, but when you're busy learning a new skill, I feel like you get distracted enough, so don't really think about it. So I'm really happy I picked this activity, and I can recommend you if you have the opportunity. Go and try sailing and push yourself a little bit. And who knows, you might be really good at it.